In this video, we will be reviewing how to utilize the TIMS MVP software and customize reporting. As you can see, I have a modified barium swallow study pulled up here on the workstation. To begin, we're going to go ahead and just toggle through and utilize a couple of the features in the software that I have put into a customized modified barium swallow study report so that you can see how the software helps us really synchronize our analysis, editing, and reporting processes. So I'm going to go ahead and toggle through this first clip that I have pulled up. And let's say that I'm wanting to point out the fact that the patient has some oral residue remaining after the swallow. I'm going to go ahead and add in a illustration here and just delineate the residue. And I can take a snapshot by clicking the camera icon here and labeling it. And as you can see, my snapshot is now available here at the bottom of my workstation on the left-hand side. So any of your snapshots will populate down to the bottom of the list. So I went ahead and did that. Now, next, let's say that I'm wanting to take some notes about findings from the study. Prior to having access to TIMS MVP 5.0, I may have handwritten these. However, now I can actually go ahead and take my notes directly in the software by clicking the Notes tab. And I've typed in some notes here, as you can see. So when I exit out of this, it doesn't delete my note, it just hides it from view. So I can go ahead and add notes if I want, or go ahead and just leave it. So now I'm going to show you the scorecards. So if you're unfamiliar with how to score in TIMS MVP, you simply click the score icon here, and you're going to be able to visualize all the scorecards by clicking the drop down arrow. So I have selected the voice and the MBSS IMP, which you can see as I click on each of these titles. So there's my MBSS IMP and the results, and my voice. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up my customized report. So I'm going to click the report icon here, and we do have different templates put into the software, and you can actually create your own template based on your team needs or your individual clinical needs. So you can see here some of the templates that we have in the software already, but like I said, you are free to make your own customized report as well based on your clinical needs. So as we scroll through this, you can see that there are opportunities to free text as well as selections through drop downs. So super easy to use. As I scroll down, you can see that my MBSS IMP scorecard and my voice automatically populated over. I also have put in the PAS and the digest, so those would populate over if I were to have selected those instead, but you can just delete them if you aren't using them for a certain study. Additionally, my notes section that I had showed you on the little sticky note have automatically populated over under my analysis section. And there's my snapshot there under the snapshot section. So we really have created this so that it's synchronizing our editing, analysis, and reporting processes into one seamless process. We hope this video was helpful. For more information, please reach out to us.